Hello YouTube, it's Axiom, and today I want to talk about the Makita cordless vacuum pump. Stay tuned. So, Makita cordless vacuum pump DVP180Z is a really interesting piece of kit. I looked up on the internet and I can't find enough of YouTube videos what shows and explains how it looks like and how it works. Now, to me this pump is really interesting because of its size, its weight, its portability, and it's a perfect solution for refrigerator technicians, air conditioning technicians who are working on a, let's call it, a smaller systems. The biggest advantage of this pump is, as I said, a portability. You don't need to take with you your extension leads. You don't have to look for the plugs near you. You put the battery on and you're good to go. So let me just show you what comes in the box. So this pump comes in several different options. So this is the basic option, which comes in the cardboard box. Then you have a option with the Makita battery and the charger and aluminium case. Later in this video I will show you why I decided to go with this version. So when we open the box, inside you're going to find, of course, written manual, Makita oil, pump itself, and a small adapter from a 5/16 to a 1/4 thread. So this is the pump, and you can see how small it is. It actually can fit in your palm. So that's the size and that's the weight of this pump. Although the build quality of the pump is really nice. So what you have, well, the main thing is the battery. So here it goes, Makita 18-volt battery. You have a switch, on-off switch, and you have LED indicator which tells you when the pump is in operation, and also when it starts blinking it tells you that the battery is nearly flat. Here you have an isolation valve with 5/16 thread for the vacuum hose. On both sides there are air vents. On the top is a filler cap where you put your new fresh oil, and then on the front obviously you have a side glass where you can see your level and a drain plug at the bottom. Nice soft rubber feet, sturdy and grippy handle. So all in all, I found this pump very robust, small and lightweight. Now the thing is why I decided to go with this basic model without the Makita battery and without the Makita charger is that I am using mostly DeWalt and Milwaukee tools, so I have enough of batteries. So then I thought, can I convert this to use, let's say, Milwaukee batteries? And of course today on internet you can find everything. So I found this. This is a small adapter which will allow you to put this side on the Makita tool, in this instance Makita vacuum pump, and on the other side you can put your battery. In this instance I went for Milwaukee adapter. They put a a small USB port here so you can charge your mobile phone or whatever. So let me show you how this works. As I said, this is the Makita side, so you put this on your tool like so, and then in this case I have a Milwaukee 4 amp hour battery, and the battery goes from the bottom, clicks in, and that's it. You are ready to go. So this is all you need to start vacuuming on your system. Now Makita rated with the 4 amp battery running time between 30 and 40 minutes. Now obviously that is going to depend on the way you are going to perform your vacuum. Are you going to use the charging hose for vacuuming? Are you going to go through the manifold? Are you vacuuming directly on the port? Did you took your shredder valve out, and so on? Me personally, I found that in reality the 4 amp battery lasts around 30 minutes, which is of course quite good for me because I have quite a few of these batteries, and that I can't see that as a problem. Now as this being a DC motor, it has a really quiet and a soft start, and it's running quietly and without any vibrations. When you put it on, you will hear like that there is 2 stages, although this is a single stage vacuum pump, but the motor speeds up in 20-ish seconds. I will show you that in a minute. It speeds up and then it starts pulling the proper vacuum. So let me just show you quickly how that works. So just for this purpose I'm going to show you on the manifold, which I wouldn't do in a real life when I want to do the vacuum. So I'm going to put this 5/16 to a 1/4 inch adapter, and then you take your hose, put it on here, make that tight, put the manifold on, like that, and we are ready to go. So how it works, just press the button and open your valve. Now you can hear slightly buzzing, and in a couple of seconds it's going to go higher with the revs. There is no vibrations, really quiet pump. The only downside, what I found, is that over some time it becomes quite hot, and I mean hot. But I never use this more than an hour, so it doesn't make that big of a deal. Now you can hear the sound has changed, and it started to pull some proper vacuum, which you can see here on the manifold in the microns how they are dropping. Now let me just wrap this video up. The pump, as I said, is good for the smaller systems. It doesn't really, Makita doesn't really state on how big of a how many ton system you can use this pump, but I would recommend that for the smaller refrigeration systems, for the split ACs or mini split ACs. It's actually perfect for that size of systems. Price wise, it's maybe a little bit on the high side of the price, but I think it's worth the money, especially when you have to carry all your gear up on the roof or up on the staircase or whatever. This is so small, so light, so portable that really you're not going to regret having As I said, this video is not sponsored by Makita or by anybody else. I bought this tool with my own money, and this is my honest opinion about this pump, and I just made this video to help you a little bit if you are if you're looking to buy a new vacuum pump and you are thinking about cordless solution. So if this video helps you a little bit, that would be really good. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, and of course leave the comments down below with any questions or comments, or if you need help to find where to buy it, or if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. Till next video, bye.